Okay, so these are your questions for our decimal division revision. So I'd like you to spend a few minutes solving these in your grid books and do your very best, and you'll find out later on how you went, and I'll give you the answers then. Okay, so we're going to solve these together. So how many times can we get 9 into 4? 0. So then we group this, and we don't even remember that the decimal's there. I didn't do the first step and put the decimals in. I'll fix that up. We don't even think about the decimal. We think, how many times can 9 go into 45, which is 5 times. Okay, so that one's done. And hopefully you got that one. If you didn't, make sure you follow along what I did there and fix up any mistakes you made. Now we go, how many times can we get 3 into 9? 3 times. Same again. And once. That's our answer there. Give yourself a tick if you got that one right. How many times can we get 7 into 2? No times. How many times can we get 7 into 21? 3 times. Into 4? No. Into 42? 6 times. So we don't have any remainders for any of those. So it should be 30.6. Give yourself a tick if you got that one correct. Well done. So guys, this is the problem that you're going to solve as your activity today. So we're going to do a modified version of it now with me, and then you're going to get a chance to do your own version later on. And it's really important that you don't just do exactly what I've done. So the question here says, it's a milk problem. I have 2.4 litres of milk left in the fridge. How can I share it amongst the people that live in my house? So you have to think about how many people. So if in my house, so I have 2 people that I live with and need to share the milk between all together. So that means me and one other person. So if you have 5 people in your house, that's the number you would put there. So now I've got 2.4 litres, and I've got to share it between 2 people. You're going to share it between a different number of people. You cannot use 2, even if it is only you and one other person that lives at home. You need to find either an imaginary friend, a pet that you'd like to share the milk with. You can't copy my exact answer. So I'm going to work it out now. So if I've got 2 divided by 2 is 1. Put that decimal straight in line. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So now I'm writing my sentence to show that I understand the problem. Each person living in my house would get 1.2 litres, don't forget that, of milk. That is a lot of milk. I don't think I would have that in one sitting. But that's how we're working out that problem. So when you go on to Seesaw in the activities, you'll have this to solve. Fill in this section here with the right number of people. Cannot be 2. Put your division problem over on the side. Solve it. You might have some remainders depending how many people live in your house. And then write one sentence answering the question, which is, how can I share it amongst the people that live in my house? There you go. Have fun.